Guava juice is a healthy alternative to many other drinks that people consume on a daily basis. It provides many benefits, including weight loss, improved skin quality, and the control of diabetes. These are just some of the benefits guava juice has to offer. See full video to learn more about guava juice benefits and how guava juice can help improve your health in multiple ways. 5 benefits of guava juice. 1. Weight loss. Guava juice can help your weight loss journey. It's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks that may be causing you to retain water and gaining unnecessary pounds. 2. Improved skin quality. Guava is a natural source of vitamins C and E, which are essential for healthy skin. To get the most benefits from guava juice, drink it in its purest form without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. 3. Control of diabetes. One guava contains 20% of the recommended daily value for chromium, which helps to control blood sugar levels. Other benefits include lowering cholesterol and regulating blood pressure. 4. Increase in energy. Guava juice can help give you a boost of energy and make your daily life easier. Plus, guavas are rich in nutrients that aid with fatigue while giving you the necessary vitamins to maintain strong bones and muscles. 5. Aid in digestion. Guava juice is an easy way to get the nutrients your body needs for good health. When guava juice enters the stomach, it has a natural appetite-suppressing effect that helps people with digestive issues such as acid reflux and irritable bowel syndrome.